Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the beta profile so the device stops receiving test updates. Go to Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management, find iOS Beta Software Profile, and tap Remove Profile. Enter your passcode when prompted, then confirm removal and restart the device. Once done, make sure automatic updates are off until you choose a public build. This step stops new beta installs and is essential before you try to revert to a stable release or restore a backup. Once the profile is gone, decide whether to restore a pre-beta backup or reinstall the public iOS. If you have a backup from before you joined beta, erase all content and settings, then restore from that backup to return to stable. If you need the latest public build now, download the official IPSWA and use Finder or iTunes to restore. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts. If the normal restore fails, put the device into DFU for a full clean install. Finish by setting up the device and confirming you're on the public iOS in Settings right arrow General right arrow About. Sign into your Apple ID and re-enable settings, then reinstall apps as needed. If anything goes wrong, like a recovery loop, update Finder or iTunes, then perform a DFU restore. This is the most reliable fix for persistent issues. If your backup won't restore, try an iCloud restore or incremental local backups, and contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.